Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, now we start lesson number 3, part A in maths. Open page number 22. Skip counting of 4-digit numbers. Look at the number line. Here is a bunny who jumps from 3602 to 3604, then 3606. Bunny is jumping in twos, means Bunny skipped the two numbers. After 2, 4, then 6. Between 2 and 4, how many numbers? 2 numbers. It means Bunny is jumping 2 numbers from each number. Now in exercise 1, what we have to do? Do skip counting in twos and write the number. Just like Bunny skipped the 2 numbers, here we skip the 2 numbers and write the numbers. 7644 to 7654. We jump 2 numbers. 7644. After jumping 2 numbers, what is the number? 7644. After this, 7640. After 4, 6. Then 7648. Then 7648, 49, then 50. After 50, 7652, and after 700 and 652, 7654. Here is the numbers which we got after jumping 2 numbers. In this way, we complete our exercise 1, part C, D, E, and F. Now question number 2. Here Bunny is skipped counting in threes. In question number 1, Bunny skips counting in twos. Now in threes. Fill in the missing number. 1523. After missing 3 number, what is the number? 1526. We skip 24, 25, then 26. Here it is, part A, 6221, 6224, after 24, 27, then 30, and after 30, what we have? 6233, and after 6233, 236, then 6239. In this way, complete exercise 2 by skipping 3 numbers, skipping counting in threes. Complete your exercise, part A till F. Page number 25. In page number 25, skip counting in tens. Write 5 numbers beginning with the first number. What we have to do is skip the numbers till 10. 6820 to 6860. We skip 10 numbers. After 20, 30, 40, 50, then 60. In part B, 3250. After this, 3250, then 3260, then 3270, 3280, then 3290. In this way, we skip 10 numbers in each number. Like this, complete part C, D, and E. Now question number 2. Complete these sequence skip counts in tens. We have to complete the sequence, again skip counting in tens. 1631, then 41, then 1651, 1661, 1671, 1681. Part C, 2685, 2695, then 2705. After 5, what is the next number skipping tens? 2715, then 2725, then 2735. In this way, complete question number 2. Now question number 3. Fill in the missing number, skip counting in hundreds. What we have to do? Skip the counting in hundreds. It means we have to skip the numbers of hundreds. 4202, 4302, 4402, 4502 and 4602. After this 4702. In this way, complete question number 3. Question number 4. Fill in the missing numbers, skip counting in thousands. What we have to skip? Thousands. It means 2462. What we have to skip? Thousands. After 2, 3462, then 4462, 5462, 6462, then 7462. In this way, complete all these parts of question number 4. Now page number 30, question number 1, 2 and 3. Open page number 30. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First write the date over there. Part A, the place value of 8 is in 3,48,561. The place value of 8 is 8,000. Part B, 31, 43 and 25 are which numbers? Odd numbers. All these are odd numbers. 52 is dash than 53. Obvious, it is less than. 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 are in ascending order, starting from smaller to bigger. 11 is dash than 10. It is greater than 10. Now question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. In 495, the place value of 9 is tens. Is it? Yes, it is true. Roman numerical 5, V stands for 4. No. Yes, it is false. It is stand for 5. 73 is an even number. No, it is false because even number is the divisible by 2. 84 is an even number. Yes, it is true. 15 is greater than 14. Again, it is true. Question number 3. Select the correct answers from the given option. Part A, Roman numericals XV1 stands for 10 and 6. It is 16. 400,340 in figures is 400,340. It is the right answer. Part C, the number 19 is greater than 18, double of 9, less than 18 or double of 10. Yes, it is greater than 18. Part D, the place value of 2 in 21,750 is, it is 10,000, it is meaning 20,000 is the right answer. 17 in Roman numericals, what is the right number? Yes, X, then 5, then 2 more I, it is 17. The right answer is this. Complete the exercise, page number 30, 1, 2 and 3. Now page number 32, question 11, 12 and 13. Open page number 32, question number 11. Write the place value of the circle digit. Before this, write the date on top of the page. Write the place value of the circle digits. In part A, the number is 6,49,767 and the circle digit is 9. What is the value of the circle digits? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. The value of circle digit is 1000 and it is 9,000. Now, part C, 2,16,015. The circle digit is 0 and the place value of the circle digit is ones, tens and hundreds. It is 100. It is 0, 100. In this way, complete question number 11 by the help of these examples. Now question number 12. Write each number in expanded form. All of you know how to expand the number. First we write the first number. Then how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we have to do? Write 5 zeros over there. Then 5, it is 10,000. How many numbers are there? 4. After this, we write 4 0. Then 2. After 2, how many numbers? 3. 3 zeros. Then 7. How many digits? 2. 2 zeros. After 9, 1 digit and it is 1 0. Then 6. In this way, we expand the number. You have to complete by the help of this example, part A till E of question number 12. Now question number 13. Look at these expanded forms, then write the numbers. What you have to do? Merge all the numbers which are done in expanded form. It is 2,71,551. 2,71,551. What you have to do? Add all these numbers and write over there. By the help of this example, complete part A till F of exercise question number 13. Now page number 33, question number 14. First write the date over there. In question number 14, fill in the symbols less than, greater than or less than. What you have to do? Look at the first number. It is greater than the another number or it is less than the another number. 3,02,418 and the another number is 4,02,328. It is less than this number, so we write the symbol of less than. In part B, that this number is greater than this, we have to write the symbol of greater than. Again part C, first number is greater than second number. In part D, 556,438 is less than 5,57,922. What you have to do? Write the less than. Complete this exercise A till J. I have already done it for you. You have to complete it in your textbook. Students, paste all these words page 22, page 25, page 30, question 1, 2, 3, 32, 11, 12, 13, page 33, question number 14. All these are your classwork and you have to do all these work in your textbook. Now students, we start our work of notebooks. First, page number 30, question number 4. Page number 30, question number 4. Write the numbers in Roman numericals. What we have to do? The numbers are in this form. You have to write in a Roman numericals. In question number 4, you know that we have to write the numbers in Roman numericals. For 16, all of you know that first we write the 10, then 6. It is 16. For 20, part F, we have to write 10, again 10, it is 20. In this way, we write the numbers in numericals. You have to complete question number 4 in your notebooks. Like this, complete all the parts in your notebook. Now page number 31, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to do it in your notebooks. Question number 5. Open page number 31, question number 5. In question number 5, write the Roman numbers in numericals. The numbers are given in Roman and you have to write it in as a numericals in your notebooks. Now, question number 5, part A, the Roman numericals are 1 and X. Before X, it means the answer is 9. In part E, X and V, what is the number? X means 10 and V 5, it is 15. In this way, you have to complete the exercise in your notebook. Now question number 6, write the odd numbers from 50 to 70. The odd numbers from 50 to 70, you have to write the question and then write the odd numbers from 50 to 70 in your notebooks. Now question 6, we have to write the odd numbers from 50 to 70. Odd numbers are those which are not divisible of 2. Then the numbers are after 50, 51, 53, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67 and 69. All these are the numbers from 50 till 70 are odd. You have to write first the question, then the answer in your notebook. List the even numbers from 60 to 80. What we have to do? Write the numbers which are even from 60 to 80. The even numbers which are divisible by 2. We have to write the numbers from 60 to 80 which are divisible of 2. Now question number 7, we have to write the even numbers from 60 to 80. First we write the question and then the answer is the numbers which are even from 60 to 80 is 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80. All these are even numbers from 60 to 80. You have to write the question 7 and then write the answer in this way in your notebooks. Now question number 8. Write the names of these numbers in words. The numbers are in numericals and you have to write the names of the given numbers. You have to write the question number 8 in your notebooks. In your notebook, first write the question number 8 from the book. The part A is 67 672,072. You have to write it in the names of in words. What you have to do? Answer is 600 and 72,000 and 72. In this way, you write the names of the given numbers. All parts you have to complete in your notebooks and write in this form. Now page number 32, question number 10. You have to do it in your notebook. Question number 10. Write these numbers in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. The number are given. You have to write how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens and how many ones. First you have to write the question number 10 in your notebook from the book. Then part A is 211,589. How many thousands? You have to write it this way. Answer 211 thousands 5 hundreds 8 tens and 9 ones. In this way, you complete the exercise part A till E of question number 10 in your notebook. Student, your classwork which you have to do in your notebook is page 30, question 4, page 31, question 5, 6, 7, 8, and page 32, question number 10. You have to all these complete in your notebook. Now, your homework is page number 23, page number 31, question number 9, page number 33, question 15 and 16, and 2, 3, 4 and 5 times table. All you have to do is your homework which you have to complete, all your classwork and your homework, inshallah, till part B.